Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'll show you how to change currency in PayPal mobile app. First, open the PayPal application on your phone, then click on this question mark icon on the top. It will show you this search bar. Just type currency, then choose the first option, how do I convert my money to another currency? It will show you here all these steps. Just simply click on the blue button, which will navigate you through the wallet. Once you go to the wallet, you should now go and click on your PayPal balance. Once you click on PayPal balance, here you will find add a currency button. Just click on it. Then here you can add any currency. Scroll down till you find the currency that you need to add. Then simply click on add currency. So in my case, I'll choose euro. And now here I have the euro added. Now, if you want to make it the primary currency, you can simply click on these three dots beside the currency, just right here. Then choose make primary. It will show you here this message. Just click on set as primary and click on done. And here you are. You have the euro, the primary currency. And that's all for today's video. Please, if you find this video helpful, support us with like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in a new tutorial.